What's going on, guys? Let's look at this problem right here. Here this question is asking us to find out the Laplace transform of t cos t. Now let's see how to find out the Laplace transform of cos t. This is a generic formula we had to know. Laplace transform of cos t is equal to s over s square plus 1. How did we get the 1? It should be b square. Here b is 1, so it's going to be s over s square plus 1. Now whenever we have any function that's multiplied by t, we can always replace that t with negative d by ds. Negative d by ds, and the function cos t, the Laplace transform of function will be the next thing. That is s over s square plus 1. S over s square plus 1. Here we are taking the derivative of this one with respect to s. If you take the derivative of this one with respect to s, you will get s square plus 1 times 1 minus s times 2s, quotient rule. And in the denominator, this is s square plus 1 whole square. And then if we simplify this one, we are going to get negative s square plus 1 minus 2s square divided by s square plus 1 whole square. Okay, here we have minus, and s square minus 2s square, that's negative s square plus 1 over s square plus 1 whole square. So this negative is common for both of them, so when we deal with this, we have to put a bracket for both, then substitute here. So minus minus, this is plus s square, and minus plus, it is minus 1 over s square plus 1 whole square. And that is the Laplace transform of t cos t. And that's how we do this kind of problems. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. And if you're trying to learn this differential equation or control system, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.